Okay, my dear friend, you are watching me and you are also knowing me who I am. But you don't know me, then I am going to tell you about me. I am MD Mumtaz sir. Nowadays, today I am going to teach you how to you are going to write a small letter in English word. So that's why don't try to be offset and don't try to be incorrupt your mind. So that's why see here on the board. Now I am going to start how to write a small letters. Okay guys, see here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's why guys, you see here how to I am writing here a small letters. So that's why repeat again how to read about English small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, Z. So that's why you are watching me. I am going to what? Show you. So that's why you are looking me on the board. You are don't try to be right. Try to be practice. Try to be learn how to write about English a small letter. So that's why guys don't worry. You are practice like this. Okay.